Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Indoor Temperature, Humidity, Light, Air Quality Sensor Data on Excel Sheet. So in this project we are using an Arduino Uno R3, MQ135 Air Quality Sensor, LDR sensor and DST11 Temperature Humidity Sensor and 16 x 2 LCD display RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and we are sending the data to Excel sheet, spreadsheet. So here the current date and time, temperature, humidity, MQ135 air quality and LDR. So the graph should be like this. So let's go for the 230 input, step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and 1 LED power supply board, DST11 temperature humidity sensor and 16 x 2 LCD display. Okay, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. It is connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. MQ135 it is connected to the A0. LDR sensor it is connected to the A1. Okay, so now I am going to connect the USB cable. Okay, then disconnect, then connect. Real-time temperature environment monitoring system with sensors. So here it will come fresh data. Okay, so time, temperature, humidity, moisture. Okay, so now I'm going to give the air quality. Okay, 467. So it will update, year update 467. Okay, LDR should be dark. Okay, now LDR value will be changed 126. Okay, so now we will go for the temperature. Temperature 31. So I am update humidity given. Send it to Excel. A for air quality, L for LDR, T for temperature, H for humidity. So here the values are updating. Okay, and the graph should be like this: LDR and MQ135, humidity and temperature. Thanking you.